In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your microphone is not working in the NVIDIA app. So whether your microphone is not working or it's trying to select the wrong microphone, then I'm going to show you exactly how we fix this. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your start menu and just search for Control Panel and then click on the Control Panel window. Next to View By, make sure you have large icon selected, and then we're going to click on Sound. Then click on the Recording tab at the top, and from here make sure you have your microphone enabled and also make sure it's set to the default device. You can do that just by selecting it and clicking on this Set Default button here. And what we also need to do is disable any microphones that we're not currently using. Now you can do this just by right-clicking on the microphone and selecting Disable. You can see all of my microphones here are currently disabled apart from the one that I have connected. Once you've done that, you can press Apply and OK to save these settings. And then from here, we're going to open up the NVIDIA app. Now, what you're going to do is just open up the NVIDIA overlay and then come down to this microphone section. And we're actually going to turn off the microphone like this. Then you're going to click on Instant Replay, and we're also going to turn this off as well and come back out of this window. Then what you need to do is click on Settings from the top of this window, select Audio, and underneath Source, make sure you have your default microphone selected. So mine is this Yeti stereo microphone, and then we can come back out of this window, come back once again. Click back on Instant Replay and turn this back on, come back out of this window, and you're going to change your microphone here to Always On. And then you can try recording your clip, and that should have now fixed your issue. If that's still not working, another solution is to come down to your taskbar, right-click on your volume icon and select Sound Settings. From here, we can scroll down to the Input section, and then from here, you need to select any of the microphones that you're not currently using. So let's say, for example, this is the one that I want to disable. All you need to do is click on this Don't Allow button to stop it from being used. And that's another way you can solve this NVIDIA issue. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.